Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see about the off-campus recruitment drive announced by Cognizant for the batch of 2020. So students from BE BTech program or MEM Tech or MCA or MSc Software Engineering are eligible for this recruitment drive. And before we get into this video, there is a big update for the 2022 passing out batch, that is present pre-final year students. Cognizant is planning to hire 23,000 Indians directly from colleges through campus recruitment drives from the batch of 2022. So this recruitment drive is expected to happen in the month of September or October 2021, and this is going to be the highest number recruited by Cognizant ever. So coming back to 2020 batch of campus drive. So Cognizant announced an off-campus drive very recently, and we are going to see the eligibility criteria and other details in this video. So as I said, this is the recruitment drive for 2020 passed out batch, and BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc Software Engineering are eligible. And as far as academics is concerned, 60% consistent in academics is required right from your class 10, 12, diploma, UG, PG, whatever applicable. And you need to maintain the same both during the appearance of test as well as at the time of joining. There shouldn't be any active backlogs. So maximum 2 years gap in education is allowed. That is, after class 10, you can have a maximum gap in education of 2 years, not more than that. And if you had applied for any revaluation or waiting for your arrear results, the existing results will be considered. And as far as CGPA to percentage conversion is concerned, your university norms will be taken into account. And for example, in case of Anna University, your percentage equivalent to CGPA is nothing but your CGPA multiplied by 10. This is open to only Indian nationals. Indian nationals are only allowed to participate in this drive. Strong written and communication skills are expected, and you need to be flexible in terms of work location and technology that you are going to work. So they are going to hire for the designation called IT Programmer Analyst Trainee, and the CTC would be 4 lakhs per annum, and the selection process includes an online test comprising of questions from quantitative ability, reasoning, verbal and technical. So this will be a proctored test, and this test, I mean, students whoever clears this round will be qualified for a technical interview and followed by a HR interview. And regarding the skill sets required, you need to be familiar with the following set of skills, and questions from these areas would be asked during the technical round. So that's it from our end. If there are any update with regard to the test pattern or examination date, we will keep you updated. And I hope that you liked this video, and we request you to like, comment and share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. See you all in another video soon. Thank you.